Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Asai. If you're new here or you're just seeing my video for the first time, welcome. Yeah, so today I'll be showing you how I achieved this beautiful hairstyle called Afro. It's called Afro. I achieved it with just one kinky hair, so stay tuned and don't go nowhere. So guys, to achieve this hairstyle, you'll be needing your net, and this is the particular net I'm using. So what I'm going to do next is to take it out from the pack and then put it on the dummy, the head of the dummy. So after putting it, I'm just going to tie it. After tying it, I'll turn it over so the tying side can be under the hair. So this is the hair I'm using. This particular hair, this hair I've used it before, so this is my second time of using it. So what I'll do is I'm going to take it and cut it into two parts, equal parts, and then the one side of the hair I'll cut it again into two. So this is what I'm working with. After cutting it, I'm just going to stretch it out. So I'm just going to stretch it out. After stretching it out, I'm taking little portion of hair. So then I start crocheting. So if you want to crochet, in case you don't know how to crochet, what you'll be doing is to put the crochet pin inside the or through the net, the hair net itself, and then put the hair, the particular hair size, the hair you're using, and then put it through the hook, close the latch, pull it through the back, the same way you're seeing. Put your two hands in between the hair, and then put put your two hand in between the hair, and then draw the tail out from the hair. So that's just what you're going to do. I will leave you guys to see it one more time and to know how it is. So what you'll be doing is to put your crochet pin after getting the hair you want, the particular hair size you want. You go ahead and put your crochet pin in between the net. Then put your hair on the hook, close the latch, and then pull the hair through the back of the net. That's the same way you see. After doing that, put your two hands in between the hair and then draw the hair out from the two hand. Yeah, so that's how you're going to do it until you achieve the hair style. So guys, at this point I was done crocheting the hair. So this is how the hair is looking like. I'm just going to use my Canton leave-in conditioner to apply on the hair, and then use my hand to stretch the hair out from, that's to stretch it out. So that's what you see me doing. So after stretching it out, I'll just take water to spray it also. What you're seeing there is water, so I'm just spraying it on the hair so it can be easy for me to work with. So I'm just going to put water all over the hair. After putting water, I'll use my hand also to stretch it out. That way it can be easy. After stretching it, I'll just take my brush, hair brush, to also brush it out like you see me doing. So once I brush it out and I'm comfortable with the way it is, that way I can start trimming with my scissors. So right now I'm just going to use my scissors and start trimming the hair until I'm okay with the way I want it to be. So at this point, I was done trimming the hair. Here is the back side of the hair. So I was done trimming the hair. So what I'll just do right now is to put my olive oil. That's my olive oil. So I'll just spray it on the hair. So after spraying the olive oil, I'm just going to take my water. I will spray water on it again, like just little water, little bit of water on the hair. So here I'm done. This is how the hair is looking like after spraying the olive oil and then a little bit of water. So this is how the hair is looking like. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also comment down below. Let me know what you think about this wig. It's a wig, it's called Afro. If there is any other style you want me to do, you can drop it at the comment section. I'll be so happy to do that. Yeah, see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Like I said, if you haven't, kindly hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.